Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring a business account and verifying your website so Pinterest trusts your links. Next, make a pin with a strong vertical image and add the target URL in the destination field. This creates the backlink. Once done, write a keyword-rich pin title and description that includes a call to action and natural keywords so search engines and Pinterest understand context. Make sure to set the pin to a relevant, organized board to improve discovery and link authority. Once your first pin has the link, you optimize for authority. Craft a description with 3 to 5 targeted keywords and a natural call to action so users click through. Also add alt text and 1 or 2 relevant hashtags to help Pinterest classify content. Then pin to the most relevant board and consider group boards or collaborators to amplify reach. Multiple contextual placements increase backlink visibility. Finally, monitor initial impressions and saves to see which variations to finish. Scale by creating multiple pins linking to the same page with varied images and descriptions so you capture different audience segments. Schedule them over time to avoid spam signals. Use Pinterest Analytics and UTM-tagged URLs to track which pins send traffic and convert. If a link doesn't work, re-verify your website. Check the URL for redirects or missing HTTPS, clear caches, and resave the pin. This troubleshooting step resolves most broken backlink issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.